Hey guys, welcome to the Alpha Point. I'm Vishal and today I'm going to show Samsung Galaxy Note 2 running Android 4.3 Jelly Bean with SOTMAX latest build that is build number 14. It's got little improvements from its previous version that is version 18, but I'm facing a little bit problem in this version as it is bit laggy here. Yes, I found it bit laggy here, and when I open the app drawer or open any app, it takes more time than previously, and there are many places that in the app drawer you may see some lag sometimes. It was not present in the previous build, but in this build I am facing it too much, I would say. So coming to what it has the improvements here, we got new keyboard here. Let's show it first. Yeah, write it down in the number here. As it is same here. The improvement that we got is a little emotions here. As you can see, you don't need to buy a new keyboard app from the market or download any keyboard app from the market. You just, if you need any emotions out there, you can just use this default application, keyboard application in the latest build here. That's the addition. The second thing that got improvements here, the all share app has been uh, enabled in this version here. Some RAM scripts has been improved here. The key line duration issues has been fixed now, like in the Ditto's ROM. It was also present in this ROM here, but it has been fixed now. Maybe Ditto's build has been ported into SOTMAX, so there may be some connection between the two ROMs here. And the power menu has been uh, enabled if your alarm has been set and your device is off. Like if your device is off and the alarm is set at that time, the device will power on and start your alarm. That has been fixed here. The MMS conversation using emojis in SMS has been fixed here. Uh, there are more fixes out there and which are not stated in the official's blog there, and there are many bug fixes still around. We will get to know in this review here. So let's start and see the features of Note 3 in this latest build. So starting from the best feature from the Note 3 is the air command feature here. So as you can see, just click here and your air command option will be enabled here. Select first action memo. What action memo does is just like a memo, but it can do much more thing than a simple memo here. Like if you are typing any number here, you can integrate it to call call this number. You can place a contacts or save a contacts by this number. You can message this number. You can email to this number. You can browse this in your web. You can search it on web and you can just save it as a simple task here. I'm gonna leave this. See the second option here, the scrapbooker. What scrapbooker does is just captures your screenshot. Little like if I'm gonna capture this screenshot, it will save in the scrapbook. Just save it and see if it is present in our scrapbook or not. Here it is in the scrapbook, and see how does it show there. In scrapbook, if you just capture the screen there, if you are on web or in the YouTube, it will capture the YouTube link or any other link that is inside those capturing screen. So just leave it and see the next option here. We have screen write. Screen write does captures your screen here, and you can write anything in this screen and save it in your gallery. That's it here. The next feature here is the S Finder. S Finder is something like a super search engine info device. It will search your all the settings here. Like I'm gonna search share. It's gonna search everything related to share in your device, and you can search it on web. Like in help, it is searching group play, share music, share video, share albums. In my files, there are some files containing share. Manage accessibility. There is share maybe. Nearby devices, share your media friends, share your device screen. Tethering here, and you can also search it on web here. So S Finder is basically a super search engine for your device. The last feature in Air Command is the pen window. I would say the best feature of the Air Command feature here. You can you just need to draw a window here, and you can use multiple applications side by side, as you can see, like your Windows PC or any other desktop PC. I'm going to use calculator and clock side by side, as you can see, or you can set alarm here, no problem at all. You can resize it. Sorry, need some little bit practice here. That's it, and you can minimize it here. uh, the bug that is still around is the black square in the icons. As you can see, there is still black icon. It needs to be removed. Maybe in the next update we can see it has been removed, and it will help improve its look here. So I'm going to close this right now. Now look at the new notification panel here. Just swipe with one hand and you can see the notifications here, or just swipe with two hands and you will see little bit all the notifications options here. And you can see there are some more options like smart pause, smart scroll, reading mode, screen reading, air gestures. These options has been new in this version of SOTMAX after updating your from Jelly Bean 4.1 to 4.3. It was not provided by the Samsung in the official update, but the SOTMAX team and the Ditto's team and some others team have provided this to us. And what Smart Pause does is just pause the video if you're playing, and if you move your head outwards the video player, it will just pause the video. And if you again put your face back to the video, and it will start playing the video here. It will just work in the default video player, not in other video player like MX player or any other player from the market. And the smart scroll feature is just scroll your browser and in your email app, not in other browser. It will just scroll. If you look up, it will go up, and if you look down, it will go down. And you can also use smart scroll by tilting your device here. And now as you can see, there is reading mode here. It will just dim out the screen brightness if you are reading any book in the Google Books or any other uh, PDF quick office or PDF reader application. The Wi-Fi hotspot you can just share from here. Screen mirroring, it will just mirror your screen to other Samsung devices. Air gesture is not working right now, as since the uh, Samsung Galaxy Note 2 doesn't have the needed sensor here. But air gesture, some of the features will work, like the quick glance. It was present in the previous version of Note 2. Just move your hand from upwards. It is not working right now. Maybe we need to enable it from the quick glance feature in the other settings here. In the motion settings, maybe. Let's see if we can go and search there. Motions, and enable the motions here. Right now, as we can see, if we just move our hand here, it is not coming. Now it has come here. If you can see, it has got more improvements. Some user interface has been changed here. Some more animations out there. Now look at the app drawer. So the app drawer has got improvements from the Jelly Bean 4.1, as we have the folder options in the app drawer. We can create our own folder here. Just create folder and name it anything. You can put any app inside it. Just click edit and swipe any app inside it, and it will just save here, and the app will be inside this folder here. You can create folder in your home screen here. My home screen is full now. There is an option called magazines from the Note 3 that has been added in the this ROM. Just swipe your from the bottom here, and it will open the magazines. It is basically a flipboard with news inside it. You need to change the settings where from where you want the news to come, select the country or select the type or technology, science related news, rela- anything that you want here. Or there are more options has been added um, in the pen window. That I forgot to say that in pen window you can add more applications inside it. uh, Let it open first. I need to draw here first. As you can see, there are little very less applications here, but you can add any app inside it using pen window manager here. Just select it and save it and put a soft reboot here. Just select any application, paper artist, just save here and do a soft reboot. The paper artist will also be used inside the pen window. Let's see the new multi-window feature here. The new multi-window feature that you can just change its position here. It was not present in the 4.1.4.1.2, and it is much more improved version of the old multi-window here. You can use as many application as you want, not just two applications. Like I'm going to open one, two, that third application I'm running here, the Chrome, the fourth application. It is running side by side like the pen window, like your desktop PC. You can use to run as many application as you want. You can minimize it here. You can resize it the size you want. You can close the application here. So these are the new features that has been added in the Note 2 from the Note 3. So let's look at the next feature. There are many apps that has been added in this ROM, like the Sketchbook, Dropbox, Flipboard comes already in this app. And the S Health has been added. The S Translator from the Samsung Galaxy Note, Galaxy S4. The Group Play has been added here. The S Health, just you need to set it up here first. You need to have a Samsung account first. So I'm going to skip this, and let's look at settings here, what we have in our settings. So these are the options here. You have a search option here. Everything's divided into tabs here. The connections tab, the device tab, the controls tab, the general tab. In connection you have all the settings related to connections. In device you have settings related to your device, like sound, display, multi-window, LED. In controls you have settings related to all the controls of the device, like how will you control how the settings, the main settings here, air command, air view, the air gesture, monitors, how you want to use your device here. And in general you have all the uh, general settings like your account. All the left setting that has been not put in this tab are placed in the general tab here, like your application manager, battery, power saving, storage, security, all the options in the general settings here. In the user interface, you just don't need to go to the application manager to uninstall any app. Just click here. Like if you want to uninstall the WhatsApp app, just click it and put in the uninstall option here. Just click OK and your app will be uninstalled without going to the application manager in the app drawer. Let's look at the lock screen here. In lock screen, let's first change the settings here. There are many more settings has been added here. Just enable multiple widgets and I will show what it has. So the multiple widgets is like you just need to swipe from your left and you can add widgets like your home screen here. That has been new in this version, in the 4.3 version. So you can add as many pages, like swipe, this is your first, you can add more here, that's it. Or the lock screen feature, the new lock screen feature has been added. As you can see, the lock screen feature from the Note 3 has been added. The lock screen feature from the S4 also has been added. Now The thing is that it has got much more improvement from its previous version. The camera application has been same as the old version of the Samsung Galaxy Note 2 running 4.1, and uh, everything has been changed there. All the features of Note 3 has been ported to this version of ROM, leaving some of the features that the air view is not working as it doesn't have the required sensor, and all the features has been running in this latest ROM version 14 of the SOTMAX ROM. It has got a little bit laggy here. I'm experiencing a bit lag. I need to change it, and maybe in the next version we can see this lag free. And the final verdict, you can install it. It has a little lag here, but you can install it. It has a good battery life here. And that's all from this video, guys, and hope you liked it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be back soon. Thank you.